Friends, my name is Naresh Mato and today I am going to teach you very important skills. And this is skills, so it requires a lot of practice and all. Now that it is how to become conscious, how to be thoughtful most of the time, so that whatever you are doing, thinking, it is up to 100% in your favor. It is for your benefit. Now how to do that? How to make everything for your favor? One way is that you have to be mindful. Now how to be mindful actually? One is that your mind has to be active actually. So how to make that? How to make your mind active? And it is possible. It's a very important thing which I learned from the Vipassana actually, and they have taught us very practical way, experimenting it for 10 days continuously practicing. So I've gone through those trainings and all for 10 days continuously just breathing. It is like you need to breathe continuously. Like see, it's not a active breathing. It's like inactive breathing. If I say, like you are not focusing on the breathing, you are not doing forcefully. You are doing it. You are not focusing on doing it forcefully, but it is happening naturally. Now, how to make it naturally happen? For that, just focus your nostrils, the breathing, the sound coming. The nostril, the air coming through your nostril should fall on this part. It falls on your this part. You just feel that the air is coming and hitting this area. This area. Just feel. And when you are able to feel that all the air are coming in and hitting this area, then your mind is at this place. And at that time, at that state, whatever you are doing, your mind is working at the perfect optimum activeness. Very thoughtful at that time. So you are not going to do any wrong thing at that time because your mind is active at that time. Your mind is nowhere. No any kind of thoughts and all. Your mind is only at this area. Your mind should be at the nostril, what is coming and what is going out. What is coming in, out, mind is there. So when you are able to do it, you become very active, super active. Mind is active and you are able to take all the decisions perfectly correct. It cannot happen that you are active and you are taking a wrong decision. This will not happen actually. You are able to think properly, you are going deep inside the matter and then you are taking the decisions. So it's a very, very important thing, very implementable, very practical thing. You need to just focus your breathing. Start breathing every time. Like not forcefully, let it happen naturally. Now it's a kind of a breathing exercise. It's also a kind of a meditation. So this is a meditation which works during the day every time. So you can do meditation all the time and you know what's the benefit of meditation. It really is going to help you a lot. If you're meditating all the time, suppose you are breathing, you're focusing on this area, that is a kind of a meditation, it is going to help you a lot and you cannot imagine how helpful it can be for your life. So friend, try to implement this thing, and if you need any kind of help, please comment below and I'll talk to you personally. I'll answer you how you can implement in a better way. Because I do myself and I can teach you better way because I've done the training for 10 days continuously, done this same thing all 24 hours continuously. So I can help you in a better way, proper way. And when you are able to do it, you become sharp student. You become a sharp person. You can take decisions. You can go deep inside the matter and can take the best decision in your favor. So that's all for today. See you in another video, and please like, if you like, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye, take care.